Hello, welcome to DanceFitDaddy, where you can dance, sweat, and be your best shape. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that I can update you with fresh dance workout videos. Are you ready to start? Let's do it right now!
Yeah!
Okay, let's do it slow. Raise your leg and tap your knees. Other side. Now sweep. 1, 2. 2 more. Let's do it faster now. 1, 2. Other side. Back to sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next step, expand your chest. And raise your arms up. Stretch it. 1, 2, 3, and up. Next, arm circles. Make a big circle. Woo. Expand your chest. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, and up. Circles. Back to the chest. 1, 2, 3, up. Circles. Next step, push yourself to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now break your leg. This is fast. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Break your leg. Again, push to the side. Leg. Okay, next step. Hip thrust. Slowly. Now swing your hips to the side. 1, 2. Let's do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1 more. Foot stomps. Continue. Let's start from the beginning. A little bit more energy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next sweep. Then expand your chest. Woo. Arm circles. Let's add one more step. Body roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now push yourself to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit your legs. Again, push. Legs. Hip thrust. Swing it. 1 more. Swing it. Stop. Now make it faster. Ready? Let's start from the beginning. Tap your knee. 2 more. Now sweep. Expand your chest. Circles. Again, expand your chest. Woo. it. Whip it. Woo. Stop. Faster. Let's do one more round. Maximum energy. Woo. Now sweep. Expand your chest. Arm circles. Woo. Body roll. Push yourself to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break your legs. Again, push. Woo. Thrusts. Swing it. Other side. One more time. Now. We're almost there. Go faster. Okay, knee. Sweep. And stop. Okay, cool down. Toes up and bend down. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings. Now fold your knees, your legs, other side. Breathe in and breathe out. Be updated. Please support my channel by liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. Please comment below if you have any suggestions or if you just want to connect with me. I am Butch, and I'll see you again next time on Dance Fit Daddy. Remember, dance and be your best shape.